reviewing this today. This is the Magic Refiner or MKII RGB mechanical keyboard. I've actually used a lot of keyboard because work as developer, every day you have to tap the keyboard. So quality keyboard to protect my fingers, the nice tactile feeling when you are typing or scolding people on Skype. So I've actually used a lot. Tried this type mini keyboard, very difficult to press because of the key travel. You see it's very thin, right? So when it press, the feeling is just not there. I also got the black color one. I use this mostly for the iPad and the Android tablets. This one comes with a mouse pad. This Logitech one, it is pretty solid. I like it because it has the chiclet keys. It's very heavy because it takes 3 AA batteries. But this is good because you see it has a slot to put your iPad. So you can actually connect to 3 devices in this keyboard. This is a Cyborg keyboard, gaming keyboard. You see the WSAD keys, silver keys. Very nice. It's LED illuminated keyboard, but not mechanical because at that time mechanical keyboard wasn't that popular yet and it was like ridiculously expensive. So this one, look at the amount of connection it needs. You can control the microphone audio. It was a very good keyboard. I bought it for 250 ringgit Malaysia. The only reason I changed it now to the MKII mechanical keyboard is because this one is quite old already. Back when I was still renting, changing keyboard is because some of the keys are no longer functioning. Like the F11 key, which is very important for a programmer. And also the left alternate key also not working. So all the important keys no longer working. So excuse for me to buy a new keyboard. So I've connected the keyboard to where they connect to the power source. You can be separate power source or you can connect it to your PC. So if it connects to your PC, you don't need Bluetooth to connect to type. Now look at the buttons. This is game 1. When I press this, the gaming keys get highlighted. If I press G2, same, including the arrow keys. This is to lock the keyboard. And USB mode, Bluetooth mode, Bluetooth 1, 2, 3 devices. 2 knobs. This one controls brightness. See not? See brighter, dimmer, volume. If you press it, it mutes. Now watch, very nice one. This one. Press this. An RGB keyboard, so you get many patterns. This is a breathing light. I feel this one is a distraction Not bad. Check this out. Put the lights up for a while, very high tech .